Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at 2012 Dodge Journey RT all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in storm gray. It looks fantastic. You do have the Dodge badging up front with your chrome accenting on the front. You do also have halogen quad headlights right there and your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here we do have our 19-inch rims with our tires. There's still lots of tread left on them and the rims look very nice as well. Now you do have heated exterior mirrors right up there. They look great. And coming around to the back here we do have that RT badging as well as the Dodge, the Journey, and the all-wheel drive. We do also have some parking sensors there to help you, keep you nice and safe. You can lift it up just like this, open it up. You do got some room back here. You can also fold this forward just like this, or fold it up, sorry. And then you can also fold the seats forward just by pulling on this, folding them forward like that, and then you got extra room back here to haul whatever you might need to. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do got 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, it'll get it nice and warm for you, get you going a little bit quicker. Now it does also have proximity keyless entry, so if the key is on your person and it's locked, just gotta put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. Plus you got the button there to unlock it as well. On the door here, you do have some chrome accenting on the handle. You have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Got a handle here, and you do have a leather for your armrest, very comfortable. You also have some storage down here with a water bottle holder. It looks great in here as well. It is leather, feels fantastic, very nice and soft. You do also have the controls over your lights here, so you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as if you press it in, you got your fog lights and your in-cabin light control here. Right over here we do have the controls over our turning signals, high beams, and our windshield wipers. Right down here we do also have the controls over the seats, so backward and forward, and the lumbar support, as well as up and down. It is push to start, so the keys are just in the cup holder, foot on the brake, press the button, and you're good to go. Now right in the center here you do have the speedometer and the odometer, as well as the fuel gauge and the engine temperature. Now you also have how many kilometers we have, which is 68,000. You have which direction we're facing, the temperature outside, and what gear we're in. Now you can change that around a bit from your vehicle speed to your trip info. You got your tire KPA, vehicle info, messages, and you can turn the menu off if you did want, if it was bright or distracting to you. You also got your fuel economy and what channel we're on. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel here with your voice recognition, your call out button, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel right here you do have a volume up and down button, and there is one on the other side for your channel. Now in the center you do have a 4.3-inch touchscreen display here, so you do have your AM and your FM and your Sirius XM, as well as your media player if you have one hooked up through your disc, your aux cord, your USB, or your Bluetooth. You also got your climate controls right here, so you have your dual climate system for you and your passenger. You have the power, the sync. You also have your heated seats for you and your passenger, and all those guys there. You got your settings right here. You have your more options for your outlet, phone, compass, time, all that stuff, and you can turn the menu off or the screen off if it was bright as well. Got a bit of storage here. Over here you have your hazard lights, your AC, your circulation, front rear defrost, and your traction control. Volume up and down with the power. You have your heat up and down, as well as you do have your auto, your off, and the power. Then you also have your browser right there, CD player right here. You got some storage just down there with a plug-in. Then you got your cup holders here and your gear shift right there. Now in the center you do have your armrest, which is leather as well. You can lift it up. You got some storage just in there. You also got your aux cord and USB plug-in in there right over here. And then over here we do have a locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Always nice to have it locking. Up top here you do have the control over your sunroof, and you also have a little mirror there with your sunglass holder. And there is our sunroof. It looks great, lets in lots of light. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you have that same chrome accenting on your handle, control over your windows, handle here, and some storage just down here. Looks great back here. It is leather as well. Feels awesome, very comfortable. You can fold this down for an armrest if you did want to, with some cup holders. You also have some plug-ins right there, and you got some storage just in here as well. Now if you did want, you can fold this up just with this guy. It folds that up like that. Then you have access to the back a little bit easier. It is leather back here as well, and you do have some cup holders hanging out just back there. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2012 Dodge Journey RT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.